ever heard of a tiny seed that packs a punch bigger than almost any superfood out there? I'm talking about Moringa seeds, the little health heroes that have been treasured for centuries. Let me tell you a story. Picture a small farm in South Asia where the Moringa tree is called the miracle tree. Locals have been using every part of this plant for generations, but it's the seeds that really steal the show. Why? Well, these seeds are loaded with antioxidants and essential nutrients. Think vitamin C, vitamin A, and even iron. That means Moringa seeds can help boost your immune system, keep your skin glowing, and give you a natural energy kick. But wait, there's more. People love Moringa seeds because they support healthy digestion and might even help balance blood sugar levels. I've tried them myself. Just a few seeds sprinkled on my salad and I could feel the difference. More energy, better focus, and a lighter feeling throughout the day. Here's the wildest part. In some places, Moringa seeds are even used to purify water. Imagine that, a humble seed making a huge impact on health and the environment. So, if you're looking to upgrade your wellness game, consider giving Moringa seeds a try. But remember, always start slow and listen to your body. Unlock the secrets of Moringa seeds, and who knows, you might just find your new favorite health hack.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more healthy diets tips.